with your film?
Fulfill my dreams being an actress.
Okay.
I want to be a director and I want to direct film.
Have you enjoyed doing in that film? Like when you're doing your romance with a girl?
So I think romancing with a boy or a girl is same for me.
What's your opinion before you meet RGV and after you met him?
Big director, you know,
Yes.
he must be having this Me Too and casting couch and everything. So I had this misconception. I took a pepper spray to his office first time I met him.
You asked RGV sir a selfie.
So I went, I was like, sir, can I have a selfie? He's like, no, you give me your number.
ఒక సెల్ఫీ అడిగితే హీరోయిన్ చేశారంట. అది ఎందుకు? అది ఈమెనే ఎందుకు చేయాలి? ఏ మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు సెల్ఫీలు అడగలేదా?
So I'll show you my pictures and yeah, so this one is the one where I'm wearing my dad's uniform.
ఓకే.
Because I love his uniform, I love his cap, and that's why I'm standing also, you know, like this. Because it comes with so much of proud and pride that Air Force people carry, and I just got my dad's uniform for it.
Superb. So your dad's in defense
Yeah, he's
department.
retired now. He was in Air Force, and he retired now.
Okay. So basically where are you?
I'm from, so my parents are from Odisha, but I have never lived there. And my dad got posting, so I've lived all over India.
Okay.
5 years, 4 years, 5 years, 4 years. I've traveled all over.
Okay. So like don't you like defense like your dad?
Yeah, I like defense. I wanted to get into defense, but I felt I used to not like when I used to get tanned and when I used to get dirty with dust. I think it's not for me. I'm moreover someone who would moisturize my skin and stay at home. You know, I was a tomboy, but later when I grew, I changed.
గ్లామర్ కాపాడుకోవడానికి ఇంట్లో ఉండటం, గ్లామర్ ఎవరైతే కాపాడతారో అదే ఫీల్డ్ ఇష్టం. లైక్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డిస్టర్బ్ యువర్ గ్లామర్ అట్ ఆల్.
I always wanted to look beautiful and dress up, and my favorite thing was dressing up, getting new dresses, and so my brother lives in London.
Okay.
So from there I used to get things which we don't get in India, like corsets and dresses, gowns which we don't get in India and things like
Your dress is from?
This is from India. This is from Hyderabad, but this one's from India. But he is coming now, so he's coming with a lot of gowns and dresses.
Oh, very nice. I should see your wardrobe one day.
Yeah.
And what is this?
Yeah, so this is, I used to perform in every Ganesh Puja in Delhi. So this is in Delhi, and this is Marathi people who used to organize a cultural function for children. And this is the first prize that I've got, this trophy. And that I lived in Delhi for 5 years, and 5 years continuously I was first every year.
Okay.
Every Ganesh Puja.
So you like dancing?
Yeah, I'm a Kathak dancer, and this I did Kathak and old classical music. So I love old classical songs.
Okay, ఇంత చిన్న ఏజ్ లో అంత పెద్ద ప్రైజ్, such a big prize in a small age.
Yeah, if you see my Bangalore house,
Yeah.
you will see like 30-40 big trophies in my house.
30 to 40?
Yes, and medals I think 50, and
Okay.
cups I think 10-15 cups for sports. So I was always this girl who was so active and since childhood.
Enthusiastic
Yes.
and energetic.
Very competitive. If there's a competition, I want to go and win it.
Okay, which kind of competitions you used to
Dance
go?
competition,
Okay.
drawing,
Okay.
rangoli, and singing, and sports. I was good at sports. I used to run for 800 meters and 200 always first, and I was a good swimmer. I used to
Oh.
do skatings. I
Oh.
still do skating, so I can still do skating. I'll do in some of my films.
మీకు రంగోలి కూడా వచ్చా?
Yes,
వెరీ
I
నైస్.
know rangoli also. I got some prizes also in rangoli.
ఓకే, ఇంటి నిండా ప్రైజెస్ ఉంటాయి.
Yeah, a lot of prizes, but mostly dancing.
ఓకే, సో యూర్ క్యూట్.
This is, I think this is my.
You have pink blush on your
Yes,
cheek.
my mom has done my. So since childhood, I used to love this blush and little lipsticks. I think this was my birthday. I think 4th birthday. And
4th birthday.
Yeah, 4th birthday, and this was in Bangalore, and my mom she dressed me up for this, and yeah,
Cute.
she used to do a lot of makeup and stuff.
ఈమె చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మేకప్లు, లిప్స్టిక్లు అప్పటి నుంచే స్టార్ట్ చేసిందంట.
Yes. Yeah, makeup used to. This is for some event that I wore, and this is also some photo shoot, some event.
కాదండి మేకప్ నిన్ను ఇష్టపడుతుందంటే యా అంటారేంటండి అంటే నమ్మేస్తున్నారు. ఐ లైక్ యూ, ఐ సెడ్ ఐ లైక్ యూ.
Thank you. I'm so happy. I'm blushing.
So blushing, blush, full blushing, all over pink.
That is why girls supposed to blush a little, you know.
Okay, and this says the actress is here.
Yes. This is my entry in Telugu film industry. This was
Okay.
for I think audio launch of 4 letters,
Okay.
and
Yep.
my styling and everything mom did. So that time I didn't have a stylist. Now I do.
Okay.
But that time my mom, even now, even if I have a stylist, my mom will see if this
Yes.
is good or not, and she will change things. She will tell the stylist I don't like this, and she will get everything changed.
Actually, she's very good at maintaining your looks. You know how that's
so this
curly
today's
hair
styling
and
is
all.
mom's styling.
Amazing. So, what kind of memories you have with your mom in childhood?
When I remember what she tells me when I was 1 or 2 years old, and when songs used to play in the house, I used to be like jumping. So she understood that I love dancing because I
Okay.
used to react on music.
Okay.
So she was so sensitive about me. Then when I was 3 years old, she made me do my first dance, and she used to teach me like you have to do like this and look like this and smile. She used to teach me every bit and expressions with steps. So I think what I have become today, giving expressions and dancing and things, because of that only I got selected in the film. I think it's all because of my mom. She wouldn't have done so much into me, and I don't think.
For which song she trained you in your childhood?
My favorite was Madhubala's Mohe Panghat Pe. This from Mughal Azam. This one, Mohe Panghat Pe Nand Lal Chhed Gayo. She used to teach me all this. Chhed Gayo, you have to do like this,
Oh.
and Gayo Re, and expressions, every bit of. And there was one thing that Madhubala does when she gets up, when she puts her ghungat out, and then she looks like this, and this also she has taught me. One nakhra, one expression that that those actresses used to do. And Rekha's song, one song is there, I Karke Singar, which is on Vishnu's avatar of Mohini avatar she takes, and she kills 2 Rakshas.
ఆమె మోహినిగా ప్లే చేశారంట అంటే రాక్షసి అందాల రాక్షసి. మోహిని ఈజ్ ఎ గ్లామరస్ లేడీ.
Yeah, Mohini
Yeah.
is a Apsara.
అప్సరా.
Yes.
So you got your name from Mohini, Apsara Rani.
So RGV sir gifted me my name, but I think that is something that suits me. So this is another song of Rekha that I did. This one, I karke singar rang roop. This was also classical. So I've always done classical, Indian classical dancing since my childhood. That is my forte. If you ask me to do Kathak, I'll just do it. That is my forte. I have learned Kathak for 5 years. So and that also mom only used to take me to classes. My Guruji used to teach me and things like that. So she has worked a lot since my childhood. You can see this, and there's like so many. When you come to my Bangalore house, I will show you so many things. This also interviews, this also dance when I used to do. So my brother, he's a proper non-dancer, okay? So when I used to dance on stage, he used to be so happy that he used to dance like down the stage, and those kids he used to dance, he used to say, Meri bhai, down like that. So and now also he's coming back from London because he's so excited about my films.
Okay.
So my family and my dad used to always, before my stage performance, my dad used to sit and used to be like, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा that direction part, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कमी है, this step you have to do more clarity and things. So
Okay.
everyone in my family has put their efforts, for me becoming an actress. Otherwise it wasn't possible.
ఓకే చూసారా అమ్మా ఎక్కడున్నావు అమ్మ చిన్నప్పుడు ఆమె గెంతితే ఈమె హీరోయిన్ అవుతుందని వాళ్ళ అమ్మగారు కనుక్కున్నారంట. మరి నేను గెంతాను చిన్నప్పుడు. ఇన్ మై చైల్డ్హుడ్ ఐ యూస్ టు జంప్. మై మదర్ డిడ్ంట్ రికగ్నైజ్ మీ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్ట్రెస్. Why I don't know. All kind of mom.
Because I think my mom, she's so beautiful. She wanted to be an actress, I think.
Okay, she want to be an actress.
Yes, she wanted to be, and she was more beautiful than me when she was young. She had this milky skin skin and better skin, better beautiful. She's way more beautiful than me, but she couldn't fulfill her dreams because her parents were a little conservative, shadi karwa diya, and they didn't support her to grow her talent. I think that is what she understood, that meri beti, she wanted a girl, okay? First was a boy and then she prayed to God, I need a girl. तो मुझे हमेशा she says तुझे बहुत मांग के तू मिली है. So what dreams she had for herself, she is trying to fulfill her dreams through me. So that is why she's so serious about my career.
Acha, very nice.
What? You're acha, very nice. I'll teach you something, you'll do it. So you want to become an actress? Yeah, I'll teach you something, you do it, okay?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు చేస్తే యాక్ట్రెస్ అవుతానా?
So I'll teach you a very funny thing. It is like a funny gesture that any girl can do. Okay, look at me. How do you know what I'm doing?
Okay.
Just learn and then do.
Okay, teacher, come on.
I'm a very strict teacher, huh? Okay, so this is a funny. So you need to have this smile and big laugh, okay? So you first
Okay.
So this just that. You first have to take a big smile and then you have to blink. That's my style of blink.
Okay, I'll do now. Come on, guys.
Okay, never mind. You want?
Okay, thank you. బాగా చేశానా?
Huh?
బాగా చేశానా? Teacher, how did you like that, teacher?
Very good, 100%.
100%, okay.
पहली बार इतना झूठ बोल रही हूँ मैं live. Okay, it's nice. It's very cute. What you did was very cute.
Okay, it's cute అంట. అందరూ ఒకేలా చేస్తారా? నేను క్యూట్ గా చేస్తా.
Yes.
ఓకే ఓకే మీరు బెంగళూరులో మీ ఇంటికి రమ్మంటున్నారు చాలా సార్లు. యూ ఆస్క్ మీ టు కమ్ టు యువర్ బెంగళూరు హౌస్. డూ యూ నో కుకింగ్? విల్ యూ ప్రిపేర్ సంథింగ్?
I cook very well.
I eat very well.
I cook very well, but I'm not allowed to eat because I'm getting a lot of fat if I'm eating.
పాపం, but I'm allowed.
Okay, come, I'll cook something for you then.
Oh,
Yeah, come.
what's happening in my life, Ray?
Wow, we have Maggie. You wanna eat Maggie?
So now we are having Maggie.
Yes.
Okay.
Maggie is something that I know like at least 10 variations of Maggie.
You know 10 variations. Maggie lo 10 variations unnaya.
I make cheese Maggie. I make.
ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా మాకు తెలిసిన మ్యాగీస్ ఏంటంటే మ్యాగీ దొరికినప్పుడేమో హా మ్యాగీ అనడం, మ్యాగీ
And I have not had Maggie from so long because of my dieting. Yum, thanks to you that I can have Maggie today a little bit.
ఓకే, నా రాకతో ఆమె మ్యాగీ తింటున్నారు. మీ పొలంలో మొలకలు వచ్చాయి కాదు, మీ డైట్లో మ్యాగీ వచ్చింది. ఎలా ఉంది?
Please block my trainer up from this channel. Block him so he's not seeing.
సో అప్సరా,
Yes.
why did you get that thought that you want to become an actress? Why?
Because as I said, since childhood I have always seen these actresses Madhubala and Sridevi and Rekha, Madhuri Dixit. So since childhood I wanted to be like them, and when I was very small, when I didn't know being an actress is a difficult thing, I used to tell my parents that ek din na main bhi aise TV mein na aise like them I'll dance and I will also look so beautiful, and so I wanted to become one. But when I grew old I thought ki ye sirf lagta aasan hai, it is not easy. So I was in a dilemma ki kya karna hai life mein, kya karna. So I was doing engineering, तो तब लगा कि I can do it, so I got a chance and I'm here.
Okay, so actually Apsara, what the thing is, who is your first crush?
First crush, Rajesh Khanna.
Okay, నా ఫస్ట్ క్రష్ నాని. ఏంటండి ఆన్సర్లు? We want something hot, crispy.
Okay, the recent heroes, so first crush will always be Rajesh Khanna because I've seen his songs with these actresses since childhood and I wanted to marry him. When I used to see him on screen, I'm like, मुझे इससे शादी करनी है. When I was a kid, but later when I grew up, I understood he's very old and I'm very young. I cannot marry him and he's already married.
చాలా పెద్ద అయిన తర్వాత తెలుసుకునే ఆ విషయం ఏంటంటే రాజేష్ కన్నా 10 years నాకన్నా పెద్దవాళ్ళు, సో పెళ్లి చేసుకోలేను అని. సో డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ థాట్ లైక్ I wanna marry Rajesh, or I wanna marry Rajesh Khanna. Do you have that kind of expectation from him?
No, but see, when I grew older, when I understood he is very old and I'm very young, by the time I grow old, he will become very old. So
Okay.
I realized, when I realized, thing, I was disappointed. I might not get my Rajesh Khanna in life, but yeah, but not him, but कोई तो Rajesh Khanna जैसा मिल जाएगा मुझे.
Okay, did you ever see like, a person like a Rajesh Khanna?
Not really, but no, not really. Nobody is like him. He's so unique. His smile is
Okay.
so good. Like I don't know. I cannot compare anybody with him.
Okay, so why do you carry pepper spray? Like, do you have any weird experience with that guy or some?
Yeah. I had this scary incident that happened in my college days. So
Okay.
I was alone on my bike, and there were 4 guys who were following me. They were like old, 28, 30-year-old guys, and like really strong guys. So I was following, and I had the house key. So if I open my house and I go alone, because my mom and dad were at work, and if I go alone, means I thought they might come or attack me, and they were following me from 15 kilometers.
Okay, 15 కిలోమీటర్ల నుంచి మిమ్మల్ని ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు. The guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they were following me. So what I did is I didn't go home. I was just riding my bike. I didn't know where to go, and I thought अगर मैं घर चली गई, they might attack me or something. They might try to open the door and come.
Okay.
So I was so scared that day, and that is why we have some men in the society who are not good. So you should always keep a pepper spray, make them blind for 3 hours, and they'll get their lesson.
ఒక్కసారి పెప్పర్ స్ప్రే కొడితే 3 గంటలు అలా పడి ఉంటారంటే.
Yeah, someone can become blind for 3 hours, and I think that's a good lesson for
Yeah.
anybody who tries to hurt me. I can hurt them back, you know. Yes.
ఎప్పుడైనా లెక్క పెట్టారా ఎన్ని ప్రపోజల్స్ వచ్చుంటాయని?
Means I got any proposals?
proposals,
No,
love.
not even one. Yeah, someone like Instagram, like I don't know these people, and they're like, "You're so beautiful, we love you," and things like. But not a serious proposal. No.
ఓకే
It's been so many years since I left college. I got no proposals.
ఓకే సో వెన్ మీరు యాక్ట్రెస్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నప్పుడు వెన్ యూ వాన్ బికమ్ అన్ యాక్ట్రెస్ డిడ్ ఎవర్ యువర్ మేట్స్ ఆర్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ డిడ్ ఎనీవన్ బిలీవ్ యూ లైక్ యూ వాన్ బికమ్ యాక్ట్రెస్ హౌ అండ్ వై ఆర్ ఎల్స్ దే టోల్డ్ you are a heroine, you are
So when I did modeling, now when I won this pageants, some of my friends who were my very close friends, they they stopped talking to me after I won the pageants. I lost a lot of friends in following my dreams. So I think whenever I succeed or something, or when I do good, my friends they go away from my life. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've experienced that, but that's why I don't know if friendship is true or it is just based on requirements. Someone's good for me right now, I'm a friend, but when they turn to be not good, then friendship. So friends, I don't know. I have less friends in my life, and because even in school I used to be bullied. I used to be the one who nobody used to play with. I used to be that girl who used to sit alone in the bench. And
ఎందుకు మిమ్మల్ని ఒంటరిగా వదిలేసారు? యాక్చువల్గా అబ్బాయిలు ఎప్పుడు అందమైన అమ్మాయిల వెనక తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారని టాక్.
Because I think my focus moreover is with people. So I have this goal, okay? So whoever fits in my life for me to achieve that goal can be in my life. Who is pulling me away from my goals? I think having those kind of people will affect my life and it's of no use.
Okay.
Yeah, so anybody who doesn't support me doing my work, I will also support people. So I always believe, and I have friends who call me for suggestions and things like that. So I'm always there for them. But when I need someone, they're always pulling back. So I think having people, you should have very less people in life, because not everybody will spread positivity. Some people try to
నెగిటివ్ వైబ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఎస్ సో చాలా తెలివైన అమ్మాయి. ఎంత తెలివైన అమ్మాయి అంటే ఆమె గోల్ నుంచి ఆమె డైవర్ట్ చేయాలనుకున్నా, ఆమెను కిందకు లాగడానికి ప్రయత్నించినా సరే అసలు ఊరుకునేది కాదు. జస్ట్ గెట్ లాస్ట్ అనేవాళ్ళు, అంతేనా? అచ్చా, ఇట్స్ హాట్, మ్యాగీ ఇస్ హాట్.
Maggie is done. Maggie is already.
నేను ఐఎమ్ దేర్ నో. Actually,
Yes.
I like cooking Maggi.
Because cooking Maggie is very easy. I can cook almost everything. Wow, I'm so excited. I get to eat Maggie today. Yes. Please don't tell my trainer.
What your trainer will say?
You make me do more extra workout to burn the Maggie.
అంత పని జరిగిందా? సరే, ఈ విషయం మీ దగ్గర నా దగ్గర ఉంచేద్దాం. యాక్చువల్గా మా ఆఫీస్ వాళ్ళు కూడా నన్ను కొంచెం స్లిమ్ నవ్వు, అడ్డమైన గడ్డి తినకో అంటూ ఉన్నారు. I said Maggie is not gaddi, Maggie is Maggie, I will eat that.
Yeah, Maggie is I think every Indian kid's favorite food, and my mom used to scold me, "Nahi Maggie nahi ye khana khao," but I have always loved eating Maggie, and I'm so excited I'm getting to eat today.
So tada.
Yes, you want less? Give me that one.
Okay, I want more.
Yeah, you can have more.
Yeah.
Why are you sitting here? You're always lazy. Get up, let's go.
Lazy?
Yeah, come,
Okay.
let's go.
Give her good future, give her good boyfriend.
Please pray. Continue.
Have you ever tried a online dating app?
You know, when I go, so for example,
Actually, I'm not convinced with this. What's your age? Night ఏ టైంకి పడుకున్నారు? How you saved RGV's contact? How many friends do you have?